Good morning. Well, it's not good. Mm. This is Barry with you on a Thursday morning. I'm all sneezy. Ugh. I'm all sneezy. Here's weird. But I've slept on it for 8 hours, so. Hey! 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 Ah, oh gosh. Hey! 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 That was like 10 in a row. Gosh, ouch. My shoulder's been hurting. I think I lifted too much the other day. God, bless me, I'm sorry. Oh. But I know some of you are into that. The multiples, I get a lot of requests for multiples. So, hey, 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 hey. Oh, I'm definitely not quiet in the mornings. Hey! Oh. Hey! What I was going to say was it's coming up on the 4th of July weekend, and there's really nothing to do. I mean, there's no parades around here. There's no fireworks. There's not much to do, so ooh. Uh-oh. Hey! 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 Oh. Gesundheit, right? I think I've already sneezed like 40 times, including the multiples. Hey! Isn't that awful? Ugh. Okay, one more. Multiples. Hey! 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 Oh. Shit. Oh. Well, we're at 5 minutes. And I still have a lot of sneezing to go. But I have to get up and do some stuff, so. Hey! Hey! Shoo! So I'm going to sign off now at 5:34. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Thanks.